Hi, in this video let's cover conditionals and loops in Python. If-else condition. Let's see traffic signal example. Create a string variable with value as red. With respect to color, let's print appropriate message. Notice colon at the end of if, elif, else statements. Code block inside statement should remain with indentation. If condition can have multiple else ifs and an optional else. elif is short form for else if. Let's try to get the color from user using input method. As it prompts, give some color and verify the logic. Notice that color string is case sensitive. To handle that, convert the user input to lowercase using string lower method. For loop. Create two lists for land animals and water animals. Using for loop and in keyword, we can access each element in the list. Our goal is to print reptiles. While looping, check whether each land animal is present in water animals list using in keyword. As we see, indentation does matter. Run the application to get reptiles list. While loop. Create a number list. Let's initialize each num index integer with 0. As long as the number with this index in number list is less than 5, our goal is to print the number. Increment the index to 1 value as we need to loop through the list. Run the application for output. Let's see how to use break continue keywords in loop. In this example, if each underscore num is greater than 3, let the flow come out of the loop using break keyword. Notice only 1, 2, 3 were output. Now, instead of stopping loop, if we need to skip the lines of code and continue with next number, use continue keyword. Notice 3 is missing in the output. We can join multiple conditions using OR and AND keywords. Now notice 3 and 7 are missing in the output. Thank you.